Hi guys, so today we'll be unboxing the Kodak Charmera. So it's very perfect for this time of the year kasi it's gift giving season na. So this camera is very small, parang mga ganito lang siya kaliit. And this was gifted to be by my tito. So hindi ko to binili, binigay siya sa akin. Pero nabuksan na siya, ayan, open na siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong kulay yung binigay niya sa akin. Siya alam niya kasi siya yung nagbukas. Pero ako hindi ko inalam kung anong kulay. Basta pagbukas na lang, dun na lang ako masusurprise kung anong kulay ito. So the Kodak Charmera has 6 different types of colors. So may yellow, may red, may gray, may white, may black, may blue, and may secret. So yung secret, para siyang translucent, parang yung mga old school na handheld consoles way before yung mga Game Boy. So I'm hoping that I can get the yellow or the red one. So kahit anong kulay pa yung makuha ko, basta may camera tayo, okay na ako doon. Okay, so buksan na natin. What's inside of the box? Let's go! Ay! Okay. Yellow. Ay, hindi. White pala. Oops, nilaglag. So I got the white one. Woo! The box comes with the Type-C charging cord, USB-A to Type-C card, kung anong color yung nakuha mo. So, we got the white one. Manual with the Charmera. So, ito yung secret edition. So, may mga presets rin pala siya na available like black and white, cool tone, warm tone, yan, iba-iba. Flash in some sample pictures for you guys to see. Tapos, wala pala siyang kasamang memory card. So, you have to buy an external memory micro SD card for your Kodak Charmera. So, feeling ko around 4 gig pwede na eh. Kasi very low res naman yung mga photos ng Charmera. Hindi siya heavy with the storage. Shout out to Tito Tang for gifting me these Kodak Charmera. Thank you so much po. Merry Christmas. Asahan nyo na mag-shoot ako nito sa car meets, future contents. Yeah. Yun lang. See you soon. Janet!